So single 15, nice. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
I just fucked your bitch. I just had some bitches and I made them. I just fucked your bitch. That's some Gucci. I just had some bitches and I made them. I just took a bitch and I some cars. The first time I came around the house.
Can I see the back real quick? This yours? Sorry about that. I know you gotta go. Woo, wow. It's all good. Okay. Who built the box?
A buddy of mine named Joey Graham. He's from Dublin. He's from here.
Okay.
He built the box for me.
Nice. So is this a Scar SK1500?
Yeah, SK15.
And this is this a DDX?
SVR.
SVR, okay. So single 15, nice. Looks good. Do you know the port tuning on it, or?
I can't remember. Really.
It's all right. Nice. I like it, man. And you got splattered design and the fur flex in the back. Awesome.
Yeah.
I'll get a demo. Got a lot of fur.
I'm telling you.
Oh yeah.
The joint would look good with some lime subs. Make all this float. I'm about to try to do 215s, hopefully. So I'm gonna go ahead and do them like he's got it set up in extended cab.
Oh, behind the seats?
I like it. I like it.
I don't get mad now. I just get paid. Yeah, spend it like walking in bang. I be smoking weed before the field parade. This
Feeling great.
Hey, 1-8K. Over there buying more shit. Right.
That's nice.
What is this? This is
It's a vital powered.
Oh,
It's a 700.1
Okay.
vital powered.
how many? What subs and how many?
12 subs, 12 inch.
12 Dark Audio Industries DKI 12s.
And he's got the same thing in here. He's got 12 in there.
Yeah, I heard his one. That was
He was in
crazy.
here yesterday.
Yep. Yep. 245s.
245s, and there's a cat bank on both sides.
Okay.
His voltage drops from like 14.8.
14.8.
Wow. What is this wire?
14.8 to 14.7 it stays there.
No, it goes 13.8 when he's really beat.
What is this wired at with all the subs? Roughly.
With 6.5, 0.6.5
6.5.
or 0.6. Yeah.
Around there. Yeah.
0.6.
So it's still below
He said 0.7, but you
Yeah,
never
0.6,
know.
0.7.
He'll check it one day, forget, and then just come up
That
with
is a controller. It's a Bluetooth controller for it's an inverter type for the fans.
Wow, y'all really
The
got.
fans automatically kick on once they
Good fit.
little temperature gauge probe. They kick on whenever they hit the amps get to a certain temperature. Automatically kick on, and then you don't have to worry about your cooling.
It's a good idea.
Something new. There's a guy in the industry named Matt Stark that's designing that, and it's pretty decent.
It's a good
It's all
idea.
app control from your phone. You can watch everything.